Hey guys, my name is Mr. Sam from TEG Motorsports, and today we'll be installing the Lufi X7. So what do you get within the box of the Lufi X7? So this is what you get from the Lufi X7 box. One user manual, Lufi X7 itself, OBD cable, as well as the bracket set. So this is the OBD cable that you're going to get inside the box. So let's install it. So this is the ACC cable. Not every car you will have to use this. Only certain cars will have to use this. But the main function is to tell the meter to switch off and to switch on. So this would actually go to the key on switch of the car. Alright, we have just installed the cable up to the A pillar through the dashboard. Right now we are going to install the Lufi meter. So let's plug the cable into the meter. So make sure that you place the cable properly. Secure the cable tightly towards the meter. Make sure it clips in. Alright, so this is the bracket you're gonna get. So let's install it onto the Lufi X7. Okay, let's start with this bracket right here. So we're gonna place the Lufi in the slot, and then you can tighten the bracket with this knot right here. Next we take this metal bracket, slot it right into the bracket, into the meter. Next, we're gonna use this nut and bolt, and you can see that with the meter right here, there's a hexagon nut slot. So we place the nut right there, and we're gonna hold the nut in place and put through the nut into the bracket. So with the bracket, you're also going to get an Allen key. So you're going to hold and screw in the Allen key. But do not tighten it first. After we set it onto the car, only we're going to tighten it. So provided from Lufi, you're also going to get a double sticky tape. But this is just for demonstration. We're not going to use it. Okay guys, so that is how you're going to install a Lufi meter into your car. So this is where I choose to install it. I think it's the best location for the MyV lah. Alright guys, so that is how you install the Lufi X7 into your car. So if you're interested in the Lufi X7, get it at lufimalaysia.com today.